Okay, I made a video about the subway and the buses, how easy they are to get around. Well, I'm going to tell you about the train. So we went online and tried to make reservations, and for some reason it wouldn't allow us to do that. So you can get tickets at the kiosks here. However, it's so much easier if you just go over to that machine, press the button, get a ticket. Someone will call you over. It is super fast. So you go over to an agent that is right there, and the agent will ask you where you're going, give them the information. And this is actually for the second leg of our trip. We are now heading to Pompeii, and when we go to Florence in 3 days, we want to just have our tickets ahead of time. And so we're going to spend 5 days in Florence, and so we want to get the tickets for that trip so we don't have to worry about it when we're in Pompeii. So what we're going to do today is we're just going to buy the tickets for Florence, and then we'll be able just to head right out from Pompeii. So easy to do. Like I said, everything is so well marked. Excellent travel in Italy so far. Love it. And I've been here twice, so go. It's fun.